Coronavirus. Have you noticed that every 20 years there comes a more deadly virus than the last? The big impacts that these viruses have made on the people of the world. Yet we always find a cure and a new one comes back to take its place. This is what's happening in our world today. The coronavirus. The coronavirus is a deadly virus that is able to spread faster than the blink of an eye. Many people, including you, have been affected by this virus. We have had to take precautions that have made our world shut down just to stop this virus. Yet it still comes back. We have even taken safety measures to stop the spread of the COVID, including wearing masks, staying 6 feet away, and not even coming out of our homes. The beginning. First, I want to talk about how COVID-19 came into our world today and how it all started to become what it is. Experts say that the coronavirus originated in bats. That's also how the coronavirus behind Middle East respiratory syndrome and severe acute respiratory syndrome got started. The coronavirus has made the jump to humans at one of Wuhan's open-air wet markets. There were customers buying fresh meat and fish, including animals that were killed on the spot. Some wet markets sell wild or banned species like cobras, wild boars, and raccoon dogs. Crowded conditions can let viruses from different animals swap genes. Sometimes the virus changes so much it starts to infect and spread among people. Ways to prevent the spread. Next, I want to talk about what we have done to prevent the COVID-19 virus from spreading. To help prevent the spread of coronavirus, we've had to take safety measures to ensure that we won't catch the virus, many including washing our hands, wearing masks, staying 6 feet away, and staying home for a few measures. Hand washing is one of the most effective ways to halt the spread of illness. Also, if you feel that you are becoming sick, it is important to stay home to prevent spreading it to others. Wearing masks has shown that 90% of people have a less risk of getting the coronavirus than people who don't wear masks. Upcoming vaccines. Lastly, I want to talk about the upcoming vaccinations that might become the next cure to this deadly virus. Moderna, Pfizer, and Johnson & Johnson are currently the 3 types of COVID vaccines approved and working in our U.S. today. The Moderna COVID-19 vaccine has not been approved or licensed by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, but has been authorized for emergency use by FDA under an emergency use authorization to prevent COVID virus disease 2019 for use in individuals 18 years of age and older. There is no FDA-approved vaccine to prevent COVID-19. Today, we have discussed how the coronavirus started and what it has become today, the safety precautions that we have taken to prevent the spread of the virus, and the new and upcoming vaccinations that would hopefully cure this virus. The coronavirus has made a huge impact on all of us and is still continuing to do so. We always need to be aware that these precautions aren't here to hurt us, but to protect us from the harms of death. When you're out in the world today, consider how the coronavirus has impacted many families, some worse than others. Just remember that we are all people and we all live together in the same world.